TD Bank to pay $3 billion in historic money laundering settlement with the Justice Department. U.S. authorities said Thursday that the financial institution's lax practices allowed significant money laundering over multiple years. Okay, so Canada-based TD Bank pleaded guilty to conspiracy to commit money laundering, the largest bank in the U.S. history to do so. It created an environment that allowed financial crime to flourish, and by making its services convenient for criminals, it became one. High-level executives were alerted to serious problems with bank's anti-money laundering program but failed to correct them, as employees openly joked about how easy it seemed to be for criminals to launder money there. This is all Merrick Garland. The bank is the 10th largest in the U.S., and its CEO said the company takes full responsibility and has been cooperating with the investigation. It says it's been taking steps to fix its U.S. anti-money laundering program, including appointing new leadership and adding hundreds of new specialists. We know what the issues are. We are fixing them. As we move forward, we're ensuring that this never happens again. And I'm 100% confident that we will get to the other side and emerge even stronger. Okay, that was the bank CEO. The Justice Department said the bank allowed at least 3 different money laundering networks to move a total of $670 million through the bank accounts over a period of several years. The institution became the bank of choice for multiple criminals and money laundering organizations, authorities said, because of course. From fentanyl and narcotics trafficking to terrorist financing and human trafficking, TD Bank's chronic failures provided fertile ground for a host of illicit activity to penetrate our financial system, said Deputy Secretary. If the employees are joking about it? In one case, a man moved more than $470 million in drug processes and other illicit funds through the branches, bribing employees with more than $57,000 in gift cards. He chose TD Bank because it had the most permissive policies, more than once depositing more than $1 million in cash in a single day and then moving the funds out of the bank with checks or wire transfers, Garland said. It continued despite employees expressing concern about what he was doing. There were also piles of cash dumped on a bank's counters and ATM withdrawals that totaled 40 times to 50 times higher than the daily limits, said a U.S. attorney in New Jersey. In a separate scheme, 5 employees worked with criminal organizations to open and maintain accounts that were used to launder $39 million to Colombia, including drug proceeds. There were multiple red flags in that case, including the same Venezuelan passports were used to open multiple accounts, but the bank did not identify the problem until one of the employees was arrested. In a third scheme, a money laundering network had accounts for at least 5 shell companies that moved more than $100 million in illicit funds, but the bank did not file a required suspicious activity report until law enforcement alerted it. The bank's long-term pervasive and systemic deficiencies in its policies over a period of 9 years allowed such abuses to flourish, prosecutors said. 24 people have been prosecuted for involvement in money laundering schemes, including 2 TD Bank employees. The investigation is ongoing. The bank has also agreed to major restructuring of the corporate compliance program in its U.S. operations, as well as 3 years of monitoring and 5 years of probation, at least. Don't forget to hit those buttons over there. I hope your day doesn't suck. Okay, love y'all. Bye.